think it's frozen. D-boy fresh with it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma rock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on, thaw my heart, I think it's frozen.
Oh yes. Alright, that's our group. Jump in now, that's our group. Let's go, that's our group for sure. That's true too. Like I like saying I'm gonna lose.
Like you might be right, but
why you brake so hard, TRX?
I think you went over to that new pass. But not as a.
But I don't know where I'm going. I would Lamborghini that. All right, what's one catch up?
Are you with any supercars?
None. Me be by myself.
Yo, what? Yo, hurry up and catch up. Go ahead. That one's flying. No way. That one's flying. One more.
1956.
Dog.
Tell him to
Yo.
go in front of them and put a four-way flash and act like police there.
What do you mean? Never thought I'd roll me.
What was he stop or driving?
It's a black vehicle, all black.
Was he driving or stop?
He's driving. Like an SUV, all black SUV, that's what you're gonna be looking for. Like the Ford Fusion or something like that. It's not a Fusion, but the Ford.
We can't catch.
Just fly past him, we can't catch him. You're not catch him. Fly past. Yo, where the rest of them at? That level took off, bro.
Catch them up, dog. Catch them up. Catch them up. Oh man. That was a
I'm not behind the Ferrari right now. I'm cool to be on the Ferrari. I want you to catch up. I'm not gonna be able to catch the Lambo. That Lambo's going crazy. Oh, the Ferrari went. Okay, Ferrari stepping on it now. Hold on. Rock chip.
What's that? Go straight, right?
Oh yeah, check money.
I hope the camera stays on the roof, man.
I'm on.
You going over? I'll force you. Going straight?
Yeah.
We have enough power to make that shit work.
Can't get no damn thumbnail because it's a damn car right here.
I don't want to go over 140 with that camera on the roof. Ooh, what's that? Right there.
1.9 miles.
There's a TRX.
Is that him though?
Yeah,
Same one.
that's the same one.
Is that a cat?
Yep, I think so. At least a wide body. Nope, none of them. I thought it was from afar.
Yeah. It's a cat.
We are going at traffic, I want to see nobody, dog. I just because the camera, I don't want to do over 140 in a dog. Last time I do 140 fly off.
For real?
Yeah. How far? 3 miles. Must can't catch up to some.
Exit is at 1 mile.
I'm with a 3 mile from it. We're at 150.
Everything gets like exit top speed, right?
We don't know which exit is it. We're not focused on the exit, we're focused on the journey. 13 aims at.
Alright. No, it's supposed to be exit 9A.
9. Honestly, in third one.
And we have 15 bomber. That's so far another than that.
Which one in there? No, 9A?
I'm right behind this Ferrari right now. But it's only me and the Ferrari.
I see the BMW. BMW, I'm cut up.
People in the left lane, yeah.
Alright, that vehicle I got well.
Then we put the full.
Turning on the exit right now. Oh, I see the 5.0 and the, I see the Lamborghini turned off. That's 5.0 is loud. Bro, there was a I think there was a Z06 D7. Or no, D6. Yeah, I think it was a D6 Corvette. Thing was crazy. So how far
The
are you
Benz
now?
are following. Huh?
We're
We're supposed to exit?
It's a 9. It's a 9A, right?
Yeah, 9A.
Yeah, them are go different then.
The Benz are trying to keep up.
Benz are trying to keep. Oh,
The camber. The camber.
That's
though.
camber.
That's camber. Bro, say we for exit right here.
9A.
That means that we're not going to Lamborghini.
9A. We're trying the stoplight on 9A, so you should be able to see it. But by the time we leave the stoplight, we're already at speed. Just turned green, where you at?
Still up on the highway.
Yo! 2 FCJs! Oh! 2
Sideways
FCJs!
all of them. Still on floor to them. I'm on floor 30.
We all on post. We all on post.
You just hear that thing whistling. Like doing a plane.
With that 11.
I'm telling you.
The boy Robert hit the plane. No, look at that thing! Oh, fuck!
That damn aircraft.
Oh, fuck!
They just turned, I guess.
Fuck!
You said 9A, right?
Yeah, that's him, sir.
When they turn left, when they turn right.
Q, when I exit, you turn left or right?
Turn right.
Alright, say less. Huracan. Huracan. Manual temporarily. I'm changing gears too much. A car doesn't like that. Guy's saying I can't use manual mode.
9A, okay.
9A, yeah.
That is wild, dog.
It's emergent.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, we made up a lot of fucking time.
Oh, so good.
Oh, that's B. So 8 down more.
Get that double R.
Hold tight up a corner. Ooh, come on, Hellcat, why you non-stop? You see the smoke?
No, look.
Let me do.
We see all the supercars, sir. And I smell my damn brakes a lot.
Block brakes were better.
And the ones that I bought the last time was better too. I see everybody taking off.
Yeah.
We came just in time, my
You
buddy.
turned off already?
You caught up the air pipe, basically.
Yo, look, if you camera up on the roof, just put the phone out there and hold it like so.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Where
Yo,
we
you
go?
turned off here?
Yeah. We find who you know, dog.
When you kind of go crazy, though, so.
Alright, cool.
Alright, later. That thing is crazy right there.
It looks sick.
That shit is sick. It doesn't just look sick, it is sick.
610.
That would get gap 10. Okay, I see you. more mobbing I see. I said then they are mobbing.
But bro, you caught up.
Caught up.
That's a lot to catch up, but you caught up. Ooh, BRZ new one.
Yeah, I see it. Is the M4 gonna let me in there or not? This point is not if the M4 gonna let me in. It's sir, I have more power than you. At this point, it's sir, I have more power than you.
I'm higher in the ranking.
Come down. It's a Novitec. That's what it is. A Novitec Ferrari 488. That Novitec body kit. Yeah, I heard the turbos. That boy got a $100,000 body kit and it's on tune. Like, damn, balling for real. Oh, ZL1. There's somebody in my league.
I know it was gonna be sick car days, but this
Over sick.
Yeah.
We gap everybody until our brakes, you know, not there.
I feel like
And this is why
they got warm.
They got too hot. But these are brand new. No, I don't like these pots at all. I'm gonna tell Elda, I don't like these pots, man. I don't like these pots at all. We're gonna have to get. We just changed brakes, but these pads are letting me down. I mean, when I had changed my brakes the last time, they were letting me down, and then after a while, they start working even better.
So they made it in.
Yeah. Okay. That's cute, but that's an M4. We made it, guys. How's my temperatures looking? You know, so my brake temperatures are overheat. But every other temperature is cool as hell. My tires have too much pressure. New BRZ. Well, that's a Toyota version, the 86.
Yeah, that's the one I would want.
Yeah?
If I'm gonna get the one,
With the spoiler and everything.
They faster.
Them pops, boy. Guys, we made it. Hope you guys enjoyed that drive. It was supposed to be with a lot of supercars. Turned out there wasn't any supercar until we get here. Turn into catching up to supercars. But I mean, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Hopefully we'll catch them next time, or just enjoy the car meet video, man. You can enjoy that one. You'll definitely see supercars. Boom, on a GTR to hear that, bro.
Yeah.